Hi, here's Soviet.Market store. Let me tell you about the Vostok automatic Komandirskie watch. The watch number is 650547. This watch is made in Russia. Manufacturer, Vostok Watch Factory. Watch papers in Russian included. Also in the watch box, you can find our English manual. The movement is an automatic self-winding one. Automatic watches can be wound manually. The movement's caliber is 24 millimeters. The watch has 32 jewels. This is a 24-hour watch, meaning that the hour hand completes one full cycle in 24 hours. The watch has a central second hand. The watch case is made of stainless steel. The glass is made of plexiglass. It protrudes above the watch case. Hands and dots are luminous. The watch face is blue. Water resistance is up to 200 m or 20 bar. Water resistance of this model is 200 m. This is a maximum water resistance for non-professional watches. The band width is 20 millimeters. The bezel is bidirectional and it moves to both sides. The bezel doesn't click when moving. The case diameter is 42 millimeters. You can see the watch dimensions now. The 650 stainless steel back cover presents the main features of this timepiece: 200 m water resistance, automatic mechanical movement and shockproof balance, and of course, the Vostok factory logo. Here is the watch crown. To wind the watch manually, you have to unscrew the crown. To set the time, you have to pull out the crown. Rotate the hands one full rotation to change the date. For this watch, we'll use the 24-20-24 method to change the date faster. Move the hands in a clockwise direction until the date changes. Then move the hands in a counterclockwise direction until the 20 mark is reached. Then in a counterclockwise direction, go back to 24. Repeat as many times as you need to reach the current date. In this crown position, you can set the time. Remember to screw the crown down after you've finished. The watch bracelet is made of stainless steel. It includes a folding clasp with a double lock and a button fastener. Opening the bracelet is achieved by pressing the buttons on the sides of the clasp. There are several links in the bracelet located on either side of the clasp, which can be removed for a comfortable fit. Take a look at the watch on my wrist. My wrist is about 8 inches or 20 centimeters. For more info, visit Soviet.Market on the web. Stay connected.